Hello guys, welcome by a new video of my beta rr50 enduro. Today we are gonna do a POV review. It's nice weather. This is my little 50cc motorcycle. It has really good suspension. In the rear, this is not original. I've made some changes. The underside of the exhaust is not stock. The other end from the exhaust is stock. Yes, for the rest it's pretty standard. So yes, let's do a POV review. First of all, we're gonna start it. Look, you have the kickstart here. You just push one time on the kickstart and it's on. Okay, on the bike you have like the time. Now I have 5,000 kilometers driven. So yes, that's pretty far already. I have it now like for 6 months, I think. It's already warmed up the bike, so yes, let's drive. Okay, I am first gonna do some off-roading. So yeah, let's climb this little hill and then we go on the road. Okay, as you can see, the suspension really does its thing here on the grass. It's a little bit wobbly, but it is still an enduro bike. But I'm not driving it in enduro, I drive it mainly just on the road, so yeah. But if you want to use it for enduro, it's an ideal bike for that. I only would recommend to change the suspension on the rear, because my tuned suspension is it's such a big improvement from the stock suspension on the back. So yeah, I really will do that. So now I'm going to show you guys the top speed of my bike. Little stuck in gear, you know that's how it is. It's mini rally. Okay, first we're going to do the top speed. No wait, first we are gonna do top acceleration from 0 to 60. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. You can see it's plenty of fast for just driving on the road. Pretty fast little bike, only 50cc. With the Excellium with the 98 or just E5 fuel, because you have like an oil mixture tank. And the tank goes like 8 liters. But now it was full, so yeah. It was was pretty full, as you can see. Like, cars. Let's grab it a little. Okay guys, that was my video of my little tiny 50cc Beta rr50. I say tiny, but it is a pretty big moped. Like, I think 125cc 2-stroke Betas also are in this on this frame. So yeah, that's totally the same. And what I would say for fueling up, you only fueling E5 at the example of the video, and there's oil in a reservoir. So yeah, that's pretty handy. So you don't need to mix it up. So yeah, pretty much this is my daily scooter. I use it to drive to school. If you want another video of my scooter, please let me know. If you want to see me driving to school, or just another video idea. So yeah, I hope you have liked watching this video. So yeah, please leave a like, subscribe, and that was it.